so I purchased and initially installed myself thinking it was an easy peasy drill holes and done thing. It is actually a bit more complex, and I am surprised the manufacturer did not include this in the instructions, because it is a huge safety hazard if not done properly. But if you are super ignorant about anything related to DIY type stuff, then you need to read on. First, the hardware cannot just as I have learned, IT needs to be installed in the joint of the sheetrock where there is load bearing capabilities, not just in any part of the ceiling. This may sound extremely basic if you know about this stuff, but I did not know, and it behoves me to think I am the only one who didn't know this. I, my dear friend, care about you and your purchase decision, and therefore do not want you to go through the pain of sitting in a swing, which you though great swing, when professionally installed indoors. My 9-year-old son gave it a 5. This is the cutest chair in the house. It does, obviously, need to be mounted into a support beam. We got this for our cottage and it's what everyone comments on. Our kids love it. It's better with some pillows and a footstool if you're going to sit for a long time. The chair is perfect. It's so comfortable to sit on and it's super easy to set up. We have this set of metal staircase, so I just hooked it underneath the stairs with the metal chain and hooks it came with, and it was completely done and ready to be set on within 5 minutes. I am super in love with this purchase of this chair. Sturdy and well made, I love it. I have been using this swing chair for outside. Really easy to put up and seems very secure. Kids love it and it's very comfy. I have to use pillows and cushion to get more comfortable, but that's not a problem. I got this for my autistic 6-year-old boy who loved to read. It is pretty amazing. Only downside, it seems slightly on the thinner side, but ever so slightly. Love these swinging chairs, they are comfy and so beautiful. The perfect swings for a great price. They are spacious as well. Update: the seller reached out to me to discuss options and offer a refund. Even though this chair didn't work, I really appreciated the proactive customer service, so I'm updating this review to reflect that. My original review is below. Original review: this chair broke less than a month after I received it. The bottom metal hoop broke apart, as you can see in the photos, dropping the sitter from the chair. It never held near its listed weight capacity. This chair is a dangerous ripoff, don't buy it. Beautiful accent piece. It's comfy and sturdy. My boys love sitting on it. I need to get another one. It can be used indoors or outdoors. We all fell in love with it. Click link in description for more reviews.